Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Alpha Futures to Tradovate. First, make sure your Alpha Futures account is active before connecting. Your evaluation must be passed, you must receive your funded account login details, and you should receive a Tradovate username or connection email. If you do not have login credentials yet, wait for the approval email. Next, go to the official Tradovate website and click Login. Enter the credentials provided by Alpha Futures, including the username, password, and server selection, such as live or demo depending on your account type. Then, make sure you use the credentials sent by Alpha Futures and not your personal Tradovate account unless you are specifically instructed to do so. After logging in, click the account drop-down in the top left corner and select your Alpha Futures funded account. Then, confirm that your balance is visible. If not, account appears, you are likely logged into the wrong environment, such as live instead of demo or vice versa. If you are using the desktop platform, open the Tradovate and go to Settings, then Connections. Add your Alpha Futures login details, save the settings, and reconnect. Before trading full size, open a small trade such as MAS or MNQ to test. Confirm that orders execute correctly and check that your account updates properly. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.